Friends, Namaskar. We all know about great actor singer K.L. Sehgal, who has given us many hits and many memorable songs. We know about his films and songs, but much about but do not know much about his early life and later years. Today I will present to you some details about his early life and later years, but only after his films and songs. Sehgal was introduced to B.N. Sarkar by R.C. Boral and Pankaj Malik, who had met him at an evening singing session. Sarkar cast Sehgal in his debut role as the main lead in Mohabbat Ke Aansu in 1932. The same year, he acted in Zinda Laash in 1932 and Subah Ka Sitara in 1932. Both films were produced by Sarkar's New Theatres Limited, Calcutta, and directed by Premankur Athwarni. Singh's earliest recorded song is Jhulna Jhulori in Dev Gandharva Ragas for Hindustan Records. In Yahudi Ki Ladki in 1933, Sehgal singing of Ghalib's ghazal Nukta Chini Hai Game Dil, composed by Pankaj Malik in Rag Bhim Palasi, is considered a classical rendition. Chandidas 1934 was New Theatre's first big success with the song Prem Nagar Mein Banungi Ghar Mein, becoming popular. In 1935, Sehgal acted in the Hindi version of P.C. Barwa's Devdas in the title role. The film with its song Balam Aaye Baso More Man Mein and Dukhe Ab Din Beete Nahi, sung by Sehgal, is cited as a milestone in Indian cinema and made Sehgal New Theatre's first superstar. The film, the song Piya Ja O Piya Ja from Pujarin in 1936 was recorded without any rehearsal, composed by Ra Kambas with a mix of Watts and Western orchestra. The song enchanted listeners. President 1937, cited as Sehgal's finest film, had one of his memorable songs, Ek Bangla Bane Nyara. Songs like Babul Mura Nayyar Chuto Hi Jaye from Street Singer 1938, करूँ क्या आस निराश भई from Dushman in 1939, Soja Rajkumari Soja from Zindagi in 1940, Diya Jalao from Tansen in 1943, Gum Diye Mustaqil from Shahjahan in 1946, and bhajans like Madhukar Sham Hamare Chor, Sar Par Kadam Ke Kichhaye, Rag Bhairavi, and Maiya Muri Main Nahi Makhan Khayo from Bhakta Surdas in 1942, cited as unforgettable bhajans, affirmed him as an immortal singer. In December 1941, Sehgal moved to Bombay to work with Ranjit Movie Here he acted and sang in a number of successful films like Bhakta Surdas in 1942 and Tansen in 1943 were hits during this period. The latter film is still remembered for Sehgal's performance of the film Diya Jalao in Rag Deepak in the same movie. He also sang Sapta Suran, Tinga O Saba Guni Jaye, and Room Jhum Chal Bari in 1944. He returned to new theatres to complete My Sister. This film contained the song दो नैना मतवाले and आ कातिब ताकदीर मुझे इतना बता दे. His early life, Sehgal was born on 11th April 1904 in Jammu to a Dogra family. As a child, Sehgal occasionally played the sitar in the Ramlila of Jammu. His formal schooling was brief and uneventful. He dropped out of school and started earning money by working as a railway timekeeper. Later, he worked as a typewriter salesman for the Remington Typewriter Company in Shimla, which allowed him to tour several parts of India. His travels brought him to Lahore, where he became friends with Meher Chand Jain, who later went on to start the Assam soap factory in Shillong at the Anarkali Bazaar. Meherchand and Kundan remained friends when they both moved to Calcutta and had many a mehfil mushaira in those days. Sehgal was a budding singer and Meherchand encouraged him to pursue his talent. Sehgal often remarked that he was what he was because of Meherchand's encouragement and early support. He also briefly worked as a hotel manager. Meanwhile, his passion for singing continued and became more intense with the passage of time. His later years. By 1944, alcohol had become a predominant factor in Sehgal's life. His dependence on alcohol had begun affecting his work and his health. It was said that he could only record a song after being fortified with liquor. He survived 10 years of drinking. However, his alcoholism was too advanced for even a single attempt at abstinence, and Sehgal died in his ancestral city of Jalandhar on 18th January 1947 at the age of 42. However, before his death, he was able to churn out three more hits under the baton of Rashad Ali for the film Shahjahan in 1946. These were Mere Sapnon Ki Rani, आ दिले बेकरार झूम, जब दिल ही टूट गया for Parwana, and was his last film released after his death, in which he sang under the baton of Khaja Khurshid Anwar. The four songs which Sehgal sang The four songs which Sehgal sang in Parwana are टूट गए सब सपने मेरे, मोहब्बत में कभी ऐसे भी हालात, जीने दे ढंग शिकायतें ना, and कहीं उलझा न जाना. Sehgal was survived by his wife Asha Rani, whom he married in 1935. Three children, a son and two daughters, Madan Mohan, Nina, and Bina, and an adopted child, his later elder brother's daughter, Durgesh Nandini, whom he adopted when he was still singer. In a career of 15 years, Sehgal acted in 36 feature films, 28 in Hindi, 7 in Bengali, and 1 in Tamil. In addition, he acted in a short comedy film, Dulari Bibi, released in 1933. In 1955, B.N. Sarkar released a documentary film based on the life of K.S. Sehgal, Amar Sehgal. In the film, G. Bungeri performed the title role of Sehgal. The film contained 19 songs lifted from Sehgal's films. In all, Sehgal rendered 185 songs, which includes 142 film songs and 43 non-film songs. Of the film songs, there were 110 in Hindi, 30 in Bengali, and 2 in Tamil. There are 37 non-film songs in Hindi and 2 each in Bengali, Pashto, Punjabi, and Persian. His non-film songs comprise bhajans, ghazals, and hori. He has rendered the creations of poets such as Ghalib, Job, and Shimab. Thanks for watching.